Welcome back to my channel. In last session, we have seen multiple examples of Java stream. With different types of feature, we have seen that how we are going to use in our real world application. Now actually we are going to see some kind of the real world applications where combining stream and functional programming in real world scenarios often involves processing data from collections, files or APIs. So here in this example I am going to create one example where we are going to analyze employees to find the average age per department. Let's say we are having different type of employees and those employees belongs to different department. Now if we want to analyze the average age per department, then how we are going to doing that? For that, what we are going to do, we are going to create one class. Let's say already we are having this employee where its particular class having this name, department, salary. With that we can also include the age. Okay, so let me create one field over here. Let's say this int age. Now here we are going to create another constructor. Here we are going to take this age. Okay, or let's say create, and here int age, this dot age equals to age. Okay, and we need to create the getter and setter of this age. So what we have done over here, as we are going to we need to find out the average age based on the department, so that's why we need to add this age in this particular DTO. So for setting this one, we have just set, we have created another constructor where we are passing this age. Okay, so now here we are going to create one main application class from where basically we need to do this kind of activity where we are going to implement the real world example. We need public static void main over here. Okay, now what we are going to do, we need to create some list of employees. Let me create those list of employees. Okay, so let's say first parameter will be the salary, then the age. Similar for this is salary, then age. 35,000, then 35, 29,000, then 29. Okay, so these are the employees actually. This is the department, this is the salary, and this is the age. If we click this, if you see, this is the salary and the fourth parameter is the age. So we have created list of employees with multiple department. Let's say it's HR, then IT. Okay, now we just need to find out that average age based on the department. How we are going to doing that? So for that we need to first of all convert this employees list into stream. Okay, and then we need to use this collect. Here we need to pass this grouping by, collectors dot grouping by. So here we need to write one function. How we are going to write this function? Based on this department employee dot get department comma collectors dot average collectors dot averaging int. Okay, emp dot get age. Okay, now so this actually doing the average of this age, and what it will return, it will basically return the averaging of, means actually it will return the like department and the averages. So it will return the map. Okay, it is showing get department, and here it's a get age. Map is, we need to import this map. Okay, so it's returning this map. Now what we are going to do, we just need to print the data over here. So how we are going to print the data? Dot for each. So here we are going to use the department, then average age, so here we are going to sys out. What we are going to sys out, like department and then average age. So that we need to print. Okay, so this is done. Now let's run this application as Java application. Now if you see just output, that for this HR department there are the 2 employees and the average is the 29.5. For the IT department the average age is 30, right? So this is, in this way we can easily like convert those data into, means we can easily find out the average of this one. So this is one of the real world application where we can use this stream with different types of feature, right? So like that we can also use different types of functions or different types of application, whereas we can use this real world application. This is all about this one. In next session I will cover more of this application, more of this functional, more of this programming with real world situation or scenarios where we can use this kind of stream with different types of feature. If you guys have anything, please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for your time. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.